Good afternoon, YouTubers. It's me, Logan Allinger, aka Social Diesel here. I'm just here to show you the experiments of what I did to the dishwasher in this. A few days later, the pipes in the dishwasher are frozen up. So a few days later, I took this mug with hot water, and then pour it in right in the chamber hole, and then for it to unfold the ice and the ice build up in the pipes, and then keep repeating doing the same thing, and then it squirts out water, and even though it has full distance inside. So thanks to my ingenuity of what I just did, add 2 cups of water. Add 2 cups of hot water. If you have ice buildups in the pipes of the dishwasher, somewhere down below the house or a mobile home trailer, and hopefully this might help solve the problem. Thanks to my ingenuity in my creative idea. Thank you for watching, and you have a great day, and signing out.